OLEKSANDR USYK.
OLEKSANDR USYK versus Tyson Fury rematch. Makakabawi na kaya ang alias Gypsy King Tyson Fury sa kanyang unang talo kontra Ukrainian, o mas lalo lang mapatunayan ni undisputed heavyweight world champion OLEKSANDR USYK na siya ang mas magaling sa kanilang dalawa sa suntukan? Matatanda ang split decision pabor kay OLEKSANDR USYK ang naging resulta sa unang laban nila na ginanap noong Mayo sa Saudi Arabia. Bagamat nakascore ng knockdown itong si OLEKSANDR USYK, ay sobrang dikit pa din ang laban. Marami ang nagdududa na tsamba lang daw ang pagkapanalo ni USYK at tsamba lang din daw ang pagkatalo ni Tyson Fury. Dahil dito ay agad ikinasa ang rematch nila para magkaalaman kung sino ba talaga ang mas magaling sa kanila. Gagawin pa din ang laban sa Saudi Arabia. Nakataya ang 3 titulo, ang IBO, WBC at WBO. May babagsak kaya sa laban o aabot pa din sa mga hurado ang kalalabasan? Bago ang bakbakan ng dalawa, ay balikan muna natin ang pinakaunang knockdown ni Tyson Fury sa kanyang buong karera na nangyari noong 2011 kontra undefeated Canadian champion ni Vin Pajkic.
Never, no surrender.
Watch your heads in close. Touch gloves. Good luck. Touch gloves.
Mistakes, you waste too much energy, so you have to be cool, calm and collective the way he normally is.
He was rocked briefly against Nikolai Fiertha. In trouble early against Derek Chisora. Can he negotiate this calmly, Tyson Fury? He always seems to make the heart flutter. In Canada, Nevin Pajkic. But can Fury make them all count? Likes to get behind that jab, but Pajkic lower, and he put his head down and just came out swinging, and that's what he's done so far, Pajkic.
Yep, he's a brawler, this guy, so what Tyson Fury has to do, this is simple. Keep it at long range. He's 6'9", with great big long arms. Pajkic, 6'3", shortish arms, so if I was Tyson Fury, this man wouldn't get near me, so Pajkic shouldn't really get near Tyson Fury, because Fury can box, he can punch, he has it all, so therefore, I know this is only the first round, but
very effectively behind that left jab, and that's what he's trying to do. But again, Pajkic comes moving forward, ungainly, untidy, but just flustering Tyson Fury at the moment. Not the most attractive start to the big fight of the night, but that's better for Fury.
I'm only just guessing here, but I would say that Pajkic's, what they want to do is they want to get inside. They want to try to make sure that Tyson Fury can't get off, you know, with the big arm, the big rights, the big lefts. So they want to just maul him and brawl him.
Punches there, none of them accurate from Nevin Pajkic, but you see the look on Tyson Fury's face, a mixture of anger and bemusement. Having said he was expecting this, he doesn't look like he was expecting this. That's better. In behind the jab, encouragement at the end of a very, very scrappy opening round here. Scrappy opening round, but Fury will hope for more order to his work in this second. This barely been able to land a clean shot so far, Fury. But we know all about the power he has in those hands. Pajkic with a right hand in response to that left jab from Tyson Fury again. Pajkic. Now they're starting to exchange now. Fury opening up, and now he play acts again, as he loves to do. Pajkic with a swinging right hand there. Wasn't far.
He lets him go. They land on target, so he has to throw his punches in 2s and 3s. The big left jab works his way in, and then bang, let the big rights go and the big lefts go, but let them go in 2s and 3s. That was a dangerous right hand from Tychek.
Fury. High contrast, 11. So sharp against Nikolai Pieta. Looked a real weapon, but it hasn't done so far tonight. Oh, Fury is down! Fury is down for the first time in his career! Caught by Pakic, and now it's a real crisis for Tyson Fury. He's okay to continue, but Pakic senses that he could cause a massive upset in Manchester.
And a bang on his chin. Fury has to tighten the grip. What he has to do is he has to take this fight to keep the hands up and let the punches flow. Because if he hits Pakic with that big right hand, he will knock him out.
Is this big round for Nevin Pakic here? Fury regrouping and caught again by a right hand there. Holding on now, Fury, at the end of a dramatic round.
Comes now, what it says, bang, came from the back of the hall. Fury's left hand was down, and that's why he was caught. He's getting a bit careless. It was a cracking punch, bang, there it goes. Oh, the 16 stone bang hit him.
Towards the clinch goes. It might be a very different story here. Nevin Pakic certainly ahead in the fight, of course he is. Fury down in the second, and Fury seemingly in trouble. Can he find an answer, as he has done before? Here comes Pakic again, catching Fury. Local favourite in trouble. Pakic with a shot to the body and then a right hook to the head. Has Fury weathered this storm yet?
His left hand too low, and he's moving into Tychek's right hand. So what Fury has to do is move to his own right to try and avoid Tychek's overhand right. But he's doing everything right now to sit Pakic.
Better right hand that time from Fury. The first time he appears, everything at each other. Fury with a right uppercut that rocks Pakic to his boots. Follows it with a left hand. Then the left jab from Tyson Fury. Pakic responding with a right hand. He needs to keep up the pressure, Dave.
Yeah, he needs to keep going in there, and he needs to keep dictating the terms here. When he gets that jab going, and then he unleashes that big right hand, he has great success.
Right hand again, and Pakic is rocking again. Fury has Pakic in trouble. He's down in front of us. Back on his feet, but it will be a count. Still back on his feet, and maybe on the brink of a win here. Big right hand again from Fury, looking for the finish, but Pakic shoots again, and Pakic is down. Brilliant from Tyson Fury here. He has some now.
He's going to have to be careful here with Tychek.
Right uppercut.